Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 27th of September. The euro has been weakening as there is increasing uncertainty concerning the European Stability Mechanism and its use for the recapitalisation needs of banks in Eurozone's indebted nations. Reports on Tuesday stated that it will only be used as a last resort for new recapitalisation cases. Furthermore, by the end of the week, the government will stress test the banks and subsequently will release its recapitalisation requirements, where any detail concerning the mechanics of the nation's bailout deal should be expected to affect the single currency. The euro broke through the 129 level versus the US dollar and a lower low was recorded at 128.35 as expected. The downside prevails given the increasing negative market sentiment. The British pound dropped against the US dollar after it has been rebounding for days just below the 162.50 area, a major resistance level. The US tech, which tracks the Nasdaq, didn't find any catalyst needed to challenge its multi-year high at 2868.25 recorded last Wednesday and dropped from 2840.50 to 2805. Oil has found support above the 90 area after plummeting over the past week against the US dollar. The commodity dropped from $100 a barrel to 92, a staggering 8% depreciation. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 129.15 with a preference to enter in short positions at 129.05. The dollar-yen pivot points at 77.95 with a preference to enter into short positions at 77.95. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 104.20 with a preference to enter into short positions at 104.20. The sterling dollar pivot points at 162.10 with a preference to enter in short positions at 162.10. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9815 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9815. Looking at commodities and indices now. The oil pivot point is at 90.60 with a preference to enter in short positions at 90.60. The gold pivot points at 1750 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1750. The silver pivot point is at 33.80 with a preference to enter into long positions at 33.80. The US 500 is at 1444 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1444. And the UK 100 is at 5723 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5723. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the UK gross domestic product's second quarter forecast to contract by 0.5%, EU industrial sentiment in September forecast to drop to -15%, and the US initial unemployment claims forecast to come out at 378,000. And our interesting pair to watch today is the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, with the New Zealand dollar producing a solid surge against the Canadian dollar yesterday. The pair found major support around the 0.8030 area once more after 2 days, forming a bullish double bottom, and it subsequently rose by 100 pips. The exchange rate now lies just below the 0.8130 resistance area, and even though a retracement is more likely, if there is a break and hold above this level, higher highs will be recorded. Thank you for tuning into our daily outlook for the 27th of September. We look forward to seeing you tomorrow. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.